Welcome back to another video. I'm Champagne Trades. I just want to talk to you guys about slow price action. I wanted to give you my top tips on trading when price action is slow, so that way you're not mentally fatigued and burning out, and also try to save some people from blowing their accounts. So when price action is slow, you got to know that it's going to be difficult. Like, the price action and the market structure will still be there, but the price delivery will be slow. You got to understand that the market will be slow at times. It's not always going to be very easy to trade. It's not always just going to be blasting up or blasting down. Sometimes it's going to be accumulating and going sideways. Like, it's going to be in market consolidation. And sometimes we can't even see that until we're in it, especially if you're in higher time frame consolidation. The lower time frames may look good, the market structure may look great, but the price delivery will be slow because it will go halfway to the target and then reverse and then go back up, and they'll just chop, sit you in a blender. So you got to make sure that you're, one, aware of what type of market conditions you're trading, because that's going to save you a lot of headache. You'll be able to adjust your expectations. And if you can adjust your expectations, then you won't be mad when you get stop hunted. Like, you won't be too frustrated to the point where you can't capitalize on the next opportunity that's being presented just because you was mad you lost a trade. Like, nah, we not doing that. We're not being emotional. We're being aware. That's the thing with anything in life. If you are aware, then you can grow. Like, most people want to change stuff, but they don't even know what it is about themselves that they want to change. Like, they hate their situation, but they don't know what they hate about it. Awareness is the key to everything. It's the key to growth. If you want to grow from something, then you got to be aware of what's going on. As simple as that. Like, some of my top tips for trading slow price action would probably be, number one, would probably be to not trade. I don't want to tell you to not trade, but what I say by not trade is, if your setup isn't there, if the price delivery isn't there, if it's not A+, don't take it. Like, you got to skip it, and you got to be okay with either having losing days, or you got to be okay with having no trade days, which is fine. Day trading doesn't mean everyday trading. Like, I know it sounds cliche, but that's the truth. You can't be out here trying to trade any type of conditions, because we're looking for price to move. If price is not moving, then you can't make no money. So you can't force that. You can't impose your will on the market, because if you try to, you're gonna pay the cost every time, I promise you. What else? Lower your risk. Take less trades. You got to be on top of your risk management and your trade management. If you're not, you're gonna pay the cost. The market has different cycles. Like, sometimes it's expanding and just going in one direction, just trending. Those are, the easiest type of market to trade. And then sometimes price is consolidating before that expansion. So sometimes it's stopping short before the targets, and you just got to deal with that. You got to take low-hanging fruit, and you can't be trying to be greedy in the market. Make sure you find balance. That's another tip I would give you, is to make sure you're doing things outside of the market to protect your mental health. Make sure you're still having fun in life. Don't let these dry markets suck all the fun out of your life. If you do, you will pay the cost on the charts and off the charts. So make sure you're still doing things that you actually enjoy in life. Also, I would tell people to probably either trade demo or trade prop firm evals. Don't be risking your real money when the market is that slow. Like, unless you're a pro and you know what you're doing, you have experience, and you have great trade management and risk management, don't be out here trying to gamble away your money when the market is slow, because that's what it's designed to do. The number one rule is capital preservation. So if you ain't got no capital, you can't play the game. So you got to make sure that you're protecting your money. Don't give it up to the markets being stupid. Don't be greedy. No matter how bad you want to, do not impose your will on the market, because it will not work. That's all I got for this video, and until the next one, out.